Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Stuff. I am Akhila. In this video, I am going to tell about 3 internship opportunities by Amazon, Salesforce and Sony. Sony company is offering data science internship where application deadline is on 1st July 2021. Location is in Bengaluru or remote. Eligibility criteria is engineering students, postgraduates, where 5 days left for registration for data science internship. They have provided few details of responsibilities of intern and requirements. Responsibilities are work on R&D activities daily, contribute coding, testing, reporting and implementing relevant models, scrap data and details from the public domains, research the content recommendation for the OTT platforms. Requirements are knowledge of Python, statistics, machine learning basics, computer science background, theoretical knowledge of SQL, knowledge of cloud services is a plus point. Internship experience in similar domains is also plus point for this internship. Willingness to work from Monday to Friday. Salary is not yet disclosed. For registration, click on the button register and then register for this program. You need to have LinkedIn profile to apply in this data science intern program. Second one is Amazon Finance Analysis Internship. This application deadline is on 1st July 2021. Eligibilities are graduates and postgraduates. 6 days left for registration. They have mentioned some of the responsibilities of the intern and requirements of the intern. Responsibilities are assisting the business and finance leader by bringing forth and conveying financial analysis and having good decision making skills, determining business regarding worldwide documenting procedures and local business demands. Requirements are pursuing CA, having passed IPCC in initial attempt, available for 9 to 12 months, social and leadership skills, surrounding with firm deadlines, having passionate for graduating and outstanding customer experiences. And salary is for 35,000 per month. Job type is in office and full-time job. They have provided few of articles, and for registration of this internship, click on register button. Third one is Salesforce Security Analysis Internship. Application deadline is on 1st July 2021. Eligibility criteria is for graduates, engineering students and postgraduates. Location is in Hyderabad. 5 days left for registration. Responsibilities of intern and requirements are candidate examining events across a large and complex environments to determine security incidents and protect our customers. Candidate should truly interesting events from noise, analyze malicious emails, inquire unusual logins and examine PCs with the possible malware issues. Requirements are powerful curiosity in information security, including awareness of current threats and security best practices, knowledge of system administration and security controls on Microsoft, Windows and Linux, familiar with Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems and command line tools, familiar with email security threats and security controls, including analyzing email headers, solid technical understanding of network fundamentals and common internet protocols, specifically DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, TLS and SMTP. Salary is not yet disclosed. Job type is work from home and full time. For registration, click on the register button. Thanks for watching my channel. Do subscribe, share and like. for more updates.